This is the 1-month chart of Bitcoin. Digest natin October. You know, yung October natin, binigyan naman tayo ni Bitcoin ng all-time high. Diyan po tayo nag-record ng all-time high, October. It's just that sinalubong tayo ng mga bears and now we are down month to date ng 4.29% month to date. We still have remaining 20 hours. Kung umakyat tayo ng 5% in the next 20 hours and ma-retain natin yon, di ba? Kung ma-retain natin yon, well and good. October tayo. So we need to at least mag 5% tayo today, no, sa closing natin nung daily candle para umakyat po ito. If not, if we're going to take a look at this chart, this is the monthly chart. Sa Bybit po ito. So, sa Bybit, ito po yung pivot high 2022, April and May 2022. Pivot high again, March, February, and March 2025. And pivot high again, September, October 2025. So, pagka pinagdugtong mo po yan, you drew a parallel channel, dinrag mo pababa, meron ka namang pivot low dito. Okay? This is the bottom of the bear market. This is the retest. So, what does this tell us? Itong chart po na to. Ano yung mga key levels that we need to watch on a monthly, On a monthly. Number 1, pong area na to. Sa closing ng monthly. 107, 108 area. At least we do not close below 107, 108 area. Yung body ng candle natin. Ayos. Safe. Pwede ba tayo mag-rally? 120, malapit lang yung 120, malapit lang yung 124, malapit lang yung 125. Pwede ba tayo ulit mag-all-time high? Mark safe. Basta magko-close tayo above 107, 108. Yung body ng candle natin. Ayan po. Ngayon, if on a monthly, for example, pag tinignan mo yan po yan sa monthly, there's a likelihood na we're going to retest the middle point ng parallel channel, which is around 97, 98, or at least 100. So from here, pwede yan tumalbog ulit. Pwede ulit tumalbog ulit. Paakyat ka na naman. Maybe you'll record another all-time high. Pero baka next year na yan. There's also a probability pag nandyan na, pag hindi nag-hold, diretso ka na dito, papunta ka na ng bear market. Similar to this. Nag-rally lang ng konti, hindi nag-hold, bumalik na tayo. So we will see. Monthly po ito, matagal ito. Okay? Maybe makikita natin kung magko-collapse man. Next year pa natin makikita Diba? Probably February, March, and meron ka pang support na mag-hold sa'yo, yung 100K. Ngayon, what you don't want to see kay Bitcoin, on the negative side, is yung flash na crash. Diba? Yung isang buwan, i-cover niya to lahat. In 1 month, mahabang kandila ka, covered mo yan. Bababain mo kami dito, let's say mo November, December, babalik mo kami ng 74. Isang buwang long red candle. So you don't want to see that. Because yung long red candle na yun will be a strength candle that may push the price here. Diba? So yun yung ayaw natin makita. On a monthly.